This source is very useful for digital electronics circuits, case of combinational circuits with logic gates, microcontrollers, many integrated circuits works at this voltage. Voltage regulator is designed to protect electrical and electronic deceive sensitive to voltage variations.
At the moment that we present the materials we use to make the show, will we use this one diode break, one regulate L7A12, regulate 7912. Other regulate is 7805 and 7905. Other is two capacitors, 1000 microfarads, one chip, LM317, one potentiometer of 5 kilo ohms, for 4 capacitors of 0.1 microfarads, 2 resistors 1 kilo ohms, 2 resistor 330 ohms, 4 diode LEDs, 1 capacitors of 1 microfarad, 1 transformer.
Hi, my name is Marco. I am going to talk about the operation of the circuit. In this analog electronic project, what we check is the different sources of voltage that in this case we use in our circuit, which are 12 positive and 12 negative, 5 positive and 5 negative, 2 others from not variable source. This helps us verify that our voltage values are correct so that our circuit can work in the best way, avoiding any failure. So, also, with the help of it, we vary the function of the diodes within a specific circuit. Thank you.
Hi, I am Andy Buracucha, and I will talk about some materials that we have used. For example, electric capacitor. It is a passive device used in electric and electronics capable of storing energy and supporting an electric field. Resistance is calling resistor to the electronic component designed to introduce and determine the electric resistance between 2 points of an electric circuit. A voltage regulator is an electronic device designed to maintain constant level voltage. I like emitting diode is constituted by a semiconductor material with 2 terminals. It's a PN junction diode which emitted light when activated.
Hello, my name is Miguel Ángel Almeida, and I'm going to talk about the electron elements used in the practice. LED diode is a semiconductor device that emits synchronous light or reduced speed when the PN junction directly polarized in which an electron. Regulador is the denomination of family of integrated positive voltage regulator that they comprise from very common to find the power supplies. They have 3 terminals: input bulb, mass, and output bulbs, and similar specification that differ only in the supply and voltage or the current. The other rectifier. And the other rectifier, also called rectifier or diode bright, is a device for diodes and cement blood that altering current AC connect to on the diode production and direct current DC up to input ring and diodes.
In electronics, a small semiconductor device that closes or opens a circuit or amplifies the signal. It is used in integrated circuits to generate bits, zeros, and ones. If the transistor is open, the current cannot pass bit 0. And if it is closed, the bit has 1 and current passes. The transistor operates electronic devices such as radio or television. Transistor has current input, can be the emitter E. A current output can be the collector C, and a signal input, the base B, that when acting facilitates the transmission of electrons between the emitter and the collector. In other words, a transistor acts as switch. Only current will flow between E and C when acting B. The three working regions that have transistor are transmission in good, saturation, and active.